Hi, this is Chris from Hilton Head Honda Service Department. Today I'm going to show you a little tip on how to check your maintenance reminder. So if you're ever going on a trip and you're not sure if you due for service just yet, this is how you check and see if it's close. Most of the vehicles are going to have almost the same setup. You're going to start by hitting the home button, which brings you to the settings menu. Settings, vehicle, and you'll scroll down to maintenance information. The maintenance on this one is at 90%. 15 is where the light will come on to remind you that it's time to schedule that service. So if you're at 15 to 30% and it's getting ready for a trip, probably a good idea to change it before then. If you're not going to travel, wait for the light to come on and that's when you'll schedule. If you ever have any other questions, just give us a call here in service, 843-815-2880. Hilton Head Honda. Thank you.